Oh, this is so lovely.
I mean, it's as great as I remember it. It's
Good.
beautiful. It really is.
On the national. Have you seen Danny McCaskill's great Wee Day Out? On the national. I showed Dermot. It is, isn't it? Yeah. And apparently all the people were his family. You know, in the video where he says hello to people and all that. Yeah. I think, yeah. Oh. Hey. Kate Winslet. Hey. I'll show this on video. If you stack that, I'd piss myself. How many have you got? Well, it's the only way to go. He's going to go to the left.
Straight up?
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
That's the thing that's amazing around here. It's so open and there's no one here.
Yeah.
It's at home, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Think of Welders Lane and all that. You're forever dodging cars and shit. Out here, there's nobody here.
Are we going left or straight on?
Straight on.
Because the footpath was left.
Right then left.
Little Stoke house and stuff.
Stoke down there to the left.
Oh. On the National Express. So this is where it feels so nice on the mountain bike, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You have got a hose, haven't you, at yours?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think you stop at Mark's on the way home. Get your missus to warm it up. I've got to get a picture of all us in the mud. It's just brilliant, Mark. Pardon?
That was immense cat.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Left?
Yeah, left.
Oh, Mark. Yeah. Mark, I don't want to get my bike dirty. Don't want to get my bike dirty. Oh, that was like the Danny McCaskill. You know when he goes under? We can reshoot that! Wait a sec, Mark! Let's go back and do it for the video. Over there? Okay. I will do that for video, that'll be... Oh, thanks. That was great in the Danny McCaskill. Did you see the outtake? Yeah. And he was sliding off those hay bales. Yeah, well, you just look at it compared to what we're doing now. I mean, this is like Blue Peter compressor. ice. Keep pedaling. I like the shards of ice. On the National Express. Size of a small country. Yeah.
I'm not sure, but they may have written the Bob Testing tune.
Right.
Which, I mean, that's probably only pop punk.
It's
They have.
It's like fun-loving criminals as well. Scooby Shacks.
So I'm surfing sideways here.
That's all right.
Just going to have to go on to the...
Go on the Hobbit. Behind me.
Absolutely no traction on these sides. When it gets this clanging.
Yeah. So here, this is perfect for my tyre. Until I go sideways. Way! Morning! Woo! That was good. I enjoyed that bit. Warmed up though. There we are, yeah. Look at this. It's beautiful. Wow.
I look like some sort of swamp monster. Look at the gloves in the shadow.
I might get some video in a minute. This is lovely. How beautiful is this? Nice to be alive, isn't it? Right, I'm going to get some video, Mark. I'm going to put some video on because I think it's too nice not to.